Stop Me is a compilation album by English band The Smiths. It compiles the band's then latest, but not last, 3 singles and their B-sides in reverse chronological order. Stop Me was released in January 1988 by their Japanese record company, RCA Victor. Background: in 1987, the Smiths' UK record company, Rough Trade, planned to release 3 singles from the newly recorded Strange Ways, Here We Come album. In August 1987, Girlfriend in a Coma was scheduled to be released as planned when news broke that the band had split up. This presented Rough Trade with a problem as no new material would be available to complement the other singles on their B-sides. It was decided to release the singles as planned, using archive material for B-sides. Singer Morrissey remained involved in the singles' lead design. The second single off Strange Ways, Here We Come, was scheduled to be Stop Me, If You Think You've Heard This One Before, an up-tempo pop-rock song. The song contains the lines, "Rough Trade deemed it unwise to release the song in the wake of the Hungerford massacre, fearing a BBC radio ban. In the UK, I started something I couldn't finish was chosen instead, but other countries, United States, Canada, Australia, Netherlands, opted to keep Stop Me, If You Think You've Heard This One Before, releasing it in 7, 12, and CD single formats. In Germany, the track was released as a double A-side with Girlfriend in a Coma. The 12 and CD versions featured the latter's original B-sides Work is a 4-letter word and I Keep Mine Hidden. The band's Japanese record company went one further and decided to compile their latest 3 singles, none of which had been released in Japan, and all of their B-sides onto a compilation album that bore an abbreviated version of the latest, international, singles title. By the time of the album's release, another single had been issued in the UK, Last Night I Dreamt That Somebody Loved Me, December 1987, but it was not included. Cover: the cover sleeve, designed as usual by Morrissey, features Murray Head in a still from the 1966 film The Family Way. The same design was used for the European and Australian 1987 single editions, but not for the contemporary UK single I Started Something I Couldn't Finish, which had its own sleeve design, yet used the same B-sides as Stop Me. Track listing: all songs written by Morrissey and Johnny Marr except as noted. Songs marked are exclusive to this compilation. Stop Me If You Think You've Heard This One Before, 333. Pretty Girls Make Graves, early version, 340. Some Girls Are Bigger Than Others, Live, 503. Girlfriend in a Coma, 202. Work is a 4-letter word, Guy Wolfenden, Done Black, 245. I Keep Mine Hidden, 247. Sheila Take About, 242. Is It Really So Strange? John Peel Session, 304. Sweet and Tender Hooligan, John Peel Session, 336. Personnel: Morrissey, voice, whistling on I Keep Mine Hidden. Johnny Marr, guitar, piano. Andy Rourke, bass guitar. Mike Joyce, drums, backing vocals on Work is a 4-letter word. Additional musicians: Audrey Riley, cello on Pretty Girls Make Graves. Stephen Street, synthesized strings on Girlfriend in a Coma. John Porter, slide guitar on Sheila Take a Bow. Production: Johnny Marr, Morrissey, and Stephen Street. Producers: 1, 4, 7-9. Troy Tate, producer, 2. Grant Showbiz, producer, 3, 5-6. References: external links. Passions Just Like Mine, site featuring the definitive Smiths and Morrissey discographies.